wanted to do a nice video today on this 76 Stingray. Absolutely gorgeous car. I mean, it's been redone. We have lots of photos showing this car in the body shop, panels taken apart. All the wiring was redone in this car. So we're talking pictures of electrical wiring in the dash, underneath the carpet, under the hood, the main harness. This is the factory 350 motor, numbers matching, but it's had a lot of work. So this is, the engine's been out. This is a stroked 350, so it's basically 383. Gorgeous under here. Quiet as can be. Headers. Air conditioning works and blows cold. These pods have been reworked. Headlights go up and down properly at the same time, which is rare. Fuel pressure gauge. 4-barrel carburetor. Original wheels. 200 miles on the tires. Lots and lots of documentation. Have the original paperwork from day one when this car was sold in New York. $31,000 original miles on the car. T-tops have the bags that the T-tops go in. T-tops ride back here, so it does have the rack for the T-top. $31,015 miles. All the gauges work, including the clock. Only non-ethanol fuel has been run in this car for the last 5 years. 4-speed. Original interior. Slight wear right here on the seat, so there's a little bit of slight wear there, maybe a little right here, but all in all, I mean, it's incredible condition. Power windows, they do go up and down. Has been repainted like I stated earlier, and it is top notch. The gapping is perfect on all the doors, on the hood, headlights. Tires are great. Just a well sorted car, fantastic driver, new clutch. And we have the original parts. As far as anything that was taken off the car, we have it.